Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. We have to study what packet structure is, but before we proceed to the packet structure, let's talk about what actually data packet is. And data packet is also given the name datagram. So let's see what data packet actually is. Whenever data is sent over long distances, then that data is broken down into pieces, and those pieces or parts are called packets or data packets, or they are given the name datagrams. The data packets are usually quite small, so that they can be sent easily over the internet or from one computer to another. And it becomes easier to control if the packet sizes are smaller as compared to the longer continuous stream of data. That is why the packets are usually of smaller size, which is normally of 64 kilobytes. A typical packet is split into three parts. The first part is the packet header, the second part is the payload, and the third part is the trailer. Now, what comes to your mind when you hear these terms? What basically should they be? Packet header is broken down into four parts. The first part is the IP address of the source or the sender. The second is the IP address of the destination or the receiver. Thirdly, it contains the sequence number of the packet, which is needed on the receiver's end so that it is easier to reassemble. And lastly, it contains the size of the packet, and that is normally in bytes. Second part or second component of my data packet is payload, and that is the actual data that is being sent, and it is of 64 kilobytes. Lastly, it's trailer, and this contains two components, two parts. The first one is method of identifying the data has, this is the end of the packet. And secondly, it needs some sort of error checking method to ensure the data has been received accurately on the receiver's end. Jazakallahu khairan kaseera. Allah Hafiz.